Hey, what's up guys? So let me make a very quick video that gives the solution to this problem. So for those of you using Atlas Capture on your phone, most of you have been complaining that it's no longer working. If you try to open it, it will tell you desktop mode only, because the screen is too small to tell you desktop mode. And then even if you go to like your settings and then you click on request desktop site, that's to make it load it in desktop mode, it still doesn't work. No matter how you zoom out or do whatever, it doesn't work. So there's a solution for it, right? Let me show you how to do that very fast. So come over to your app store. So if you're an Android user, go to Google Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, your app store, or whatever operating system you're using, then search for this Zoomable. That's the name of the app, Zoomable. This is the first one. So you can see desktop browser Zoomable. Yeah, click on it, and then this is it. So just click on get, and then it's going to ask you to install it. So it depends on your internet speed. Mine might take a while, but the app is not even big, it's just 13 MB. So I've downloaded it, and then I'm going to open it. So what this does now, it gives you a normal browser, but it will load it in desktop mode. You get it will load it in desktop mode. So this is how this browser looks like this now. You can zoom out and see that it loads in desktop mode. You zoom in, it loads in. So now let's go to Atlas. Let's go to the website. So let me just clean this 80. So let me just search Atlas Capture login, and then you see how it loads it. So it loads the site now. The site always loads in desktop mode. It will not load in phone mode, unlike, okay, let me just open it first and see. So you see how it's loading now. It's loading well. You can zoom in and zoom out yourself. You can put it in full screen, remove it from full screen, so you can zoom in. So if you zoom in too much, see, to tell you desktop mode, but if you zoom out, you see now it's showing you in laptop mode. You get. So now I'm going to put in my email, let me just put in my email. So I'll have to hide my email, sure. So I'll put in my email, and then they're going to send a code. So let me check my email from my PC and get the code. So let's just wait for a bit. Let me go to Gmail. So this is how you use it. I just want to show you how, guys, that it's working. So if you go to the normal one, look, it's still not working. Let me reload it. To try to load, and then it's going to tell you this. So let's go back. I've gotten the code, and now let me put the code. So the code is, yeah, this is the code, and then you click on verify, and this is it. So you can see it's working, right? It's working. Your quality score, everything is working in the Zoomable. You can come to, let's go to tags, although there are no tags for now. As you can see, the Zoomable is working. You can zoom out, zoom in, do whatever you want. So if this video helps you, just share it with your friends who need it, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.